The TapRooT Summit is a gathering of industry experts from around the globe, where they come together to network and share best practices, focusing on safety, root cause analysis, quality, and continuous improvement. How the summit works is it's broken into two sections. The first is our pre-summit, where you can learn advanced topics in our 2-day courses. Advanced topics like stopping human error, interviewing and evidence collection, how to use TapRooT proactively, equipment troubleshooting, root cause analysis, and a variety of other topics. The rest of the week is dedicated to the TapRooT Summit, which is broken into engaging keynote speakers, interactive best practice sessions, and networking opportunities. Our sessions are designed to help you meet with other people who are facing the same problems that you have. And it also allows best practice sharing from this global community of experts so that you can fix the problems that you're dealing with and find new ways of implementing and applying techniques. The last thing that we want to share with you about the summit is how much fun the community has while attending. We know that you learn better when you're having fun, and we try to make that fun oriented towards networking with people and learning. We've got great events such as the name game, which if you've been to the summit, you know is a crazy game where you get to meet and network with industry professionals that are in the same industry and also in unique industries, and you can find out what you have in common and what kind of challenges you guys are facing. We also have fun at the location. We pick places where you can bring your spouse and family and interact with people in a fun way at our reception. It's the first night of the summit. It's a great place to meet with our keynote speakers, talk with people who have shared session best practices, and also relax, listen to live music, and have some drinks and food. We also provide lots of opportunities to win fabulous prizes through live contests, recreational activities, and just session attendance. That's what the summit is all about. We want to invite you to take advantage of all of these great opportunities that we've put together to make your performance improvement programs world-class. Check out below for more details about the summit, and we look forward to seeing you there.